Well, good morning. It's a nice sunny Sunday morning. We're gonna do a little work on the 71 Duster here. I finally got it running right. I ended up putting a 360. I built another 360 and ended up putting X heads on it. So it runs really good. I just gotta shorten this cable here, or plug wire rather. Shorten it down, it's too long. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the seats out again, and I'm just gonna go get them upholstered. I have this car for sale, and people ask for interior pics, and they say thumbs down on the interior. So I decided to get the seats redone. I'm gonna go with the cloth insert here and do the vinyl piping on it. I'm gonna see if I could find these headrests. I do have the headliner for it, but the rear glass has to come off, and I guess the front one does as well. But the headliner's right there, so I'm gonna take the seats off, get them recovered, and of course, unfortunately, well, it adds to the price of what I got it for sale. The good thing about the headliner is I have all the strips, and I guess they go according to wherever they need to be, and they've never been moved. So, but that's where I'm at with this thing. I just tired of people asking me for interior pics, and then they say, it's too ugly, we don't want it. Anyway, let's get these seats removed. Hey, got the seats out. You could see it's pretty dusty and crusty down here. I'm gonna clean all this up, get that plate welded back on there. I already got this one, had been redone a long time ago, but I ordered a carpet kit for it. And as you can see, the door panels are actually really not in that bad condition. That one there's got like a little rip by the door handle. This one here is actually better condition, but the rear sides are awesome. I'm gonna clean all that up, vacuum everything out as much as I can, make sure that the light works. I'm gonna take the seat belts off and probably put some aftermarket lap belts on it, something. I got extra seat belts from the race car that they're only good for 2 years, but I may as well just throw those in here. All right guys, let's keep going with this thing. Back on the Duster here, I cleaned the interior, took the seats out. I had to cut the seat belts off. I mean, I didn't want to leave that hole uncovered there where the seat belt goes. So I put some seam sealer on that. I did a quick patch job on that. Here, I mean, just a couple holes, but everything is going to be good. The seats came out awesome. They're still in the back of my truck. Here's the old seat belts, but this is the carpet kit that we're going to put in. This is, I mean, I don't know what they call it, but forest green or dark green. It's a nice piece. It's got the heel pad on it, but we're going to put it on, put the seats back on today, and see how it looks. Well, I got the carpet done. I installed it. Those are my guides right there for the seat belts. Got the guides for the hole for the seats, and that's what the rear seat looks like. The headliner's there. I'm not gonna install it until, well, whoever can install it without breaking the glass. But that's where I'm at right now. And all I gotta do now is put the front seat and we'll be done with this project. Okay, well, there's the seats, both the front and the back. Carpets in. I put those older outdated seat belts from the race car, but I think it looks good. It's not the exact same color, but who cares, you know? Bunch of junk back here that I gotta take out. I don't know what else I could say. I mean, I like the way it looks. It looks clean. It's not messy like it was before. I'm thinking I'm gonna put a different steering wheel on there. That's why it's not on there all the way, but got some floor mats come in just to put it on there. I think once the carpet settles in, that little bump right there will clear off. But let's fire it up here real quick. There we go. All right, well, that's Saturday's project. I'm glad I got this done. I'm gonna start cleaning up all the rest of it, wipe it down, and probably take it for a cruise later on today. Down the street, at least. It's not registered or insured yet, but I like the seats. I mean, I don't know. Let's see, there we go. I like the seats. I think they came out okay. I mean, it's not original, but you're original only once. So thanks for watching this video and the update on it. If you're interested in buying it, you know, message me or whatever you want to do, or leave a comment and we'll go from there. Hopefully people won't be seeing the pictures and, oh, the interior's ugly, because it was ugly. It was butt ugly. So at least now it's clean, it's drivable, it runs, it starts, it stops, the lights work. All right, thank you for watching this video. Have a good rest of the week. It's really nice and sunny. It's Saturday afternoon. So have a good rest of the weekend and be safe. Talk to you soon.